second. Before we start the music, I'd like to ask you, gentlemen, do you have your beautiful lady on the side? Yes or no? Yes. Tell me yes or no. All right, very good. Whoever said yes, please stand up. ¿Tiene usted una señorita muy bonita a la derecha o a la... Por favor, stand up. I make you a deal, doesn't have to be your lady. Here we go. I want to see at least one. You said yes, please stand up. Yes, very good, thank you very much. I see two people there. We have some young people over here. Stand up. Gentlemen, you have the desserts, please stand up over here. You said yes. All right, stand up over here. You finish your dinner? Please stand up, it's okay. Now hold the lady's hand, look in her eyes, and invite her to dance.